Our solar system is about 4.6 billion years old, and Earth is about 4.5 billion years old. After such a long time, for the first time in history, a species appeared on Earth that doesn't just live, but understands, thinks, and changes its environment. A species that has understood the entire planet, and that is us, humans. Today, we are the most advanced species on this planet. With the help of science and technology, we have gained almost complete control over Earth. In other words, we are a controlling civilization. In the future, we could even become a Type 1 civilization, a civilization that can use all the energy available on an entire planet. But the question and the problem is this: is Earth humanity's permanent home? The direct answer is no. Around 100 million years from now, Earth will face its first major crisis. At that time, a 10-kilometer-wide asteroid will be heading toward Earth. If humanity has not advanced enough technologically to change the direction of that asteroid, its impact would instantly wipe out 80% of life on Earth. However, if by that time human civilization has become a Type 2 civilization, meaning humans can control energy at the level of a star, then that asteroid would not be a major problem, because at that stage, we would be capable of destroying or diverting it easily. During this period, major changes will also begin in our solar system. The beautiful rings of Saturn will gradually disappear. The brightness of the sun will increase by about 1% compared to today. It may sound small, but its effect on Earth will be enormous. Temperatures will rise significantly, and the weather will become extremely unstable. If humans are still alive, then about 250 million years from now, Earth will look completely different. All the continents will merge together and form a single supercontinent. Sea levels will drop significantly, oxygen in the atmosphere will increase, and temperatures will become much colder compared to today. It will be a cold era, an ice age. Despite this, life will continue to exist on Earth. The next major change will occur about 600 million years from now. At that time, our moon will move approximately 32,000 kilometers farther away from Earth. This means that total solar eclipses will no longer occur on Earth. But the real danger lies here. Carbon dioxide levels in the atmosphere will become so low that photosynthesis will nearly stop. Without photosynthesis, plants will begin to disappear, and without plants, most life will also come to an end. If humans still exist at that time, this will be the point when they must decide to leave Earth. By then, only some single-celled organisms will remain alive in the oceans. If human civilization is still present, it will need to understand that Earth is no longer a permanent home, and preparations to leave the planet must begin. After most humans have left Earth for other planets, the real impact of the Sun will begin. About 1.5 billion years from now, the Sun's brightness will have increased so much that living on Earth will become nearly impossible. The habitable zone will gradually shift toward Mars. Earth will no longer be suitable for life. If humans are still alive, they will not be living on Earth, but on Mars or even farther planets. 2 billion years from now, almost all of Earth's oceans will have dried up. Life will survive only temporarily near the North and South poles, and only because temperatures there will be slightly lower. If humans still exist on Earth, they will survive only in artificial habitats, and even that will not last long. About 2.8 billion years from now, all complex life on Earth will end. The Sun's luminosity will have increased so much that Earth's average temperature will reach 420 Kelvin. At that time, Earth will resemble Venus, a thick atmosphere, toxic gases, and unbearable heat. 3 billion years from now, Earth's future will depend on two possibilities. The first possibility: If a rogue star passes near our solar system, there is a very small chance it could pull Earth out of the Sun's orbit and make it revolve around itself. Earth would then become a planet of that new star. If Earth happens to enter that star's habitable zone, life could continue for billions of years. However, the probability of this happening is only 1 in 300,000, nearly impossible. The second possibility, if nothing like that happens, then about 3.5 billion years from now, not a single ocean will remain on Earth. Temperatures will reach 1200 degrees Celsius. Even rocks will begin to melt. Earth will become a completely dead planet, essentially a hellish world. If humans are still alive somewhere at that time, there will be only one option left: either leave Earth or spread throughout the entire galaxy, the Milky Way. If humans can establish colonies on thousands of planets, we could spread across the entire Milky Way in just 2 million years. This would be the only way to make human civilization immortal. In this way, humanity could keep itself alive in the universe, because Earth was never given to us forever. It is only a starting home. If human civilization wants to survive eternally, it must build a new home beyond this planet. We must leave Earth and move to another world, and this is the truth we must understand. Earth is our mother, but she is not immortal. One day, the sun will change, the climate will change, and this planet will no longer be suitable for us. On that day, emotions will not save humanity. Preparation will. If we keep believing that Earth is everything, human civilization could become history like the dinosaurs. But if we advance science, technology, and our thinking in time, humanity will not remain the story of just one planet. We will become a multi-planetary civilization. The Moon, Mars, and beyond are not just missions, they are insurance policies for humanity's future. Because civilizations become immortal only when they are not limited to a single world. Earth was our first home, but if we want to survive forever, we must build our next home among the stars. This is FactFlix PH, where facts meet the future.